All right, let's open that baby. Always very sleek. This is Apple for you. We owe this design to Steve Jobs. He was always adamant about things being simple, clean, modern. And even though he was a hard ass about it, I see the merit in his decision to push the envelope so that we have the absolute best look. It really is a pleasure to open and discover. It's clean. The connection is different from the other one. So you have two on that side and two on that side. How slick. So now we're going to open that beauty. This is the basic setup for the Mac. Data and privacy, continue. Don't transfer any information, I don't want to do that, so continue. Now it goes into the Apple ID. I'm gonna pass some of the things that require my password and all that because it's private. Analytics, I like to share the crash and usage data, continue. Siri. Hey Siri. I'm going to jump over a couple of things that are personal, my personal account. I don't want to share that online, but I'm going to get you through the rest of the setup so that you have an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so you have to place your finger in the little corner and it recognizes your finger. So you have to do this several times so that it knows exactly how to recognize your personal finger. That's really an awesome new technology available to access, and I find it fascinating. It's so much easier to do everything on the Mac. That's a big plus. You just press left and right and up and down. And so it's finally done. Continue. I'm not going to add a card at the moment. I like it to be both light and dark, so I'm going to use auto. It's easier on the eyes at night to be in the dark version. True tone also makes your screen a little bit more yellow. And now my computer is being set up, so that's the original setup, brand new when you open out of the box. So to open your computer, all you do is you put your finger on that little corner over here. This is new. You just press your finger here, and it opens. The mouse pad or finger pad is a lot larger than the other version. I can show you the other computer, much smaller. This is the MacBook Pro from 2016. And you see the mouse pad here is very small in comparison. And the computer is darker also. It's like twice the size, much larger. I guess it's gonna be a lot easier to use. You can do so much more larger graphics and all. The keyboard is really slick. It's a big difference. When you start moving things, it lights up and you see all these buttons here that didn't appear before. And here at the very end, you put your finger. It's a totally new look. Updates, no updates. Here we go. So this is what I have on this computer. I have QuickTime Player. I'm going to use that right away. New screen recording. And all I do is I put my finger and it allows it. Now this is great. I'm doing this first so that I can start filming the screens. I'm also going to check the audio of this new computer, because that's really the first time I'm using it without a microphone, and hopefully it'll be good enough for this.
Blue skies shine in my face, give me another woman to take her place, singing blue skies over my head. Ulema, Antonia, come perto de mim, para adiantar esta comédia.
Check it out, something cool just happened. Wow, this is automatically playing the video that I'm watching. So I guess it's totally connected to the apps that I'm using. This is QuickTime. You can see the logo QuickTime here. Yeah, it puts back the video, it plays the video automatically. I can change the lighting this way. What is this? This is Siri. If I press here, hey Siri, open apps. Hey Siri, close apps.
To close an app, press Command Q on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, open the Apple menu and choose Force Quit.
This is pretty slick, I tell you that much. How beautiful is this computer? I wasn't expecting any of this stuff. This is really avant-garde. I just can't wait to see what else is in store for me. Now I realized, which is kind of annoying, is the only thing you have is these connectors on the side. So I have no USB connect and no Thunderbolt connect. So I cannot connect my external drives, and I really cannot connect anything because I'm not using this as of yet. So I'm going to have to be patient and order something to connect those. That's typical. Welcome to this planet. We're always in need of upgrading everything to follow with the technology. I guess that's how they survive. Well, I wouldn't call it survive, that's how they make money. And also, to be honest, it's much better technology every time, a lot faster, a lot more powerful. So we can't complain, we just have to be able to follow. I'm very excited, so we're going to have to wait to be able to move forward with this. So I've been using this new MacBook for a while now, and I have to admit, it's the best MacBook Pro in the market. It's absolutely outstanding. It has a lot of improvements throughout. It's just an amazing piece of technology. So let's look at the pros. The screen, the 16-inch screen, is a really good size for video editing and things of that nature. The finger pad is much larger. It's really useful. It's wonderful. I absolutely love the finger access. It's really easy when you upload apps and when you have to make changes to the setting. It's so quick. You just put your finger and boom, you're in. It makes a huge difference from having to type the password. It's a lot faster. When I render files, animations in After Effects, it's seamless. Same thing in Premiere, the graphics and everything else, it renders a lot faster. It has an amazing audio quality. It's very good speakers. The speakers are here. They have really pristine quality. It's really amazing for a laptop, to be quite honest. I actually detached my exterior speakers because I thought that the speakers it comes with are actually better than what I had. So that's pretty impressive. The connection to all the exterior ports is super fast. However, it's unfortunate that they only have 4 ports because I had to purchase a whole bunch of extras. That's one of the cons. Unfortunately, you have to go ahead and purchase everything you need to include your Thunderbolts, your USBs, video card, HDMI, everything else you can think of that you need to plug onto your machine. You have to purchase something that goes into those 4 ports. In the description below, you'll see a lot of the equipment I highly recommend for video editing and some software. If you're interested in any of the products I mentioned in the videos, don't hesitate to click on the links below in the Amazon affiliate program. I will get a commission, and that would greatly help me maintain this channel and continue to update you with some information. So I thank you in advance for using the links if you can, if you're interested in any of the products, of course, and thank you again. That's pretty much the only thing that I can say about this machine. It's just kick-ass, it's wonderful, it's really a very nice piece of equipment, particularly for heavy-duty graphic design, video editing, and the like. So big thumbs up to Apple for making this MacBook Pro 2020. Thanks again. I'm a huge supporter of Apple products, and this is again a very good one. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Please take a second, 2 thumbs up, let me know that you like this video. Put some comments below if you have anything to say about the MacBook Pro. If you're considering purchasing it, I know it's a little bit expensive, but it's really worth it if you do the kind of work I do. And it's really a huge upgrade in terms of speed and efficacy. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, the best spec of this is the little live bar at the top of the keyboard. Siri and access to the emojis. There is a lot going on. I still haven't figured out all of it, but it's fun. It's precious, really. I'm really glad they put this together. Thank you again. See you around soon. If you enjoy the video tutorials, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and press like. I hope you'll come again. I will put more videos out there for you to be able to film better, edit better, do some graphic design, all for the purpose of putting your YouTube channel in the best possible light.